Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're replacing the headlight bulb on this Toyota Auris. And the bulb is the HIR 2 type. So let's get into it. So first of all, we remove this dust cover, put it aside, and this is really tight, difficult to film, but here we can see the connector. So what you want to do is take a small pocket screwdriver and press on this tab, and at the same time pull down to release the connector. So I will try to do this. So there we go. There's the connector. And now what you want to do is grab the light and turn it counterclockwise to remove it. Like I said, it is tight. And out she comes. There you go. And now you take the new bulb and be careful not to touch the glass. Otherwise you can shorten the lifetime of it. So now just do the reverse of removal. So snap it in place, turn it clockwise to secure it. And now you wanna take the connector and put it back. Till it snaps in place. There you go. Now you wanna take the dust cover, put it all back. Yeah, that's it. Now we just replaced the headlight bulb on this Toyota Auris. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.